Here's how to make cranberry sauce with just 3 ingredients: water, sugar, and of course cranberries. Follow the directions indicated in the package. Make sure you wash and rinse the cranberries before cooking. Drain and set aside. You need 1 cup of water, 1 cup of sugar. Pour the water and sugar in a pan. Put it under medium heat. Stir until the sugar is dissolved. Bring it to boil. Add the cranberries. Stir occasionally. When it's thickened, it's ready. And you're done!